welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and this video is going to be, and here's Sophie, and this is going to be a clean and pack with us basically over the course of the weekend. So everything's a mess. We have half of the stuff that we own already in storage at Hilton Head, and we are working on trying to get the rest of it ready to go on Tuesday of next week.
Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Today is Thursday, July 23rd. We are moving out of this house on Wednesday, July 29th. And then we're basically essentially going on vacation because we have nowhere to be until August 14th when we can get into our new house. Right, Sophie?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and show you kind of what everything looks like now, and hopefully it'll be more packed up by the end of the next few days. I'm not sure how many days this video is going to be, but probably more than one because it is already 7:18 at night when we are filming this. So this is a situation over here where I am trying to sort out food and pots and pans and things like that that are going to kind of travel with us over the next 2.5 weeks. So I've got to find a better system of this, and we're also still using this food and cookware and stuff like that right now in the house. The kitchen is pretty much a wreck here. We need to straighten this up, clean everything off. I need to clean the stove top, and then we've got some stuff in the dishwasher that still needs to be packed. Most of our kitchen is packed at this point, but we do need to kind of get the last few things, and we need to clean the shelves and stuff like that. So we still have just a very few, most of these are empty. But like in here, we just have a few things. We're getting ready to go down to paper plates, I think, that we have that need to be used up. We've got a few things in here that need to be packed. Over here, we've got some stuff kind of that we're going to be taking to a friend's house while we're sort of moving from point A to point B and being nomads. And I just finished recording a video with Gary earlier today, which is coming out tomorrow on Friday. You'll see that on Friday, July 23rd. So we are just cleaning up. This is our couch. We have our furniture sold and most everything moved out of here. We are going to be cleaning in the schoolroom. I've already like kind of fixed the paint in here finally. So that's most everything packed up. I still need to pack up my office. Gary's been packing up his office. He's still got a little bit more in there. So I need to do a lot of heavy cleaning this weekend and just kind of get us to the point where we can go ahead and get on out of here. We've used most of our boxes. We've just got a few left here. Got some more stuff staged of things that are just gonna be moving around with us. And then we've already defrosted and taken everything out of our freezer. I'm just kind of letting this air dry before we put it into storage, so we won't have any issues with mold in there. That's what we've got going on. I'll show you the bedroom is a mess. We've already gotten rid of a good bit of stuff in here. We still have the bed. This is our TV from upstairs because Gary already took the TV that was in here off the wall. And then we've got some of Gary's clothes that still need to be packed in here, but he's actually on a golf weekend. So I need the rest of his clothes to come back before we can get those packed. And we're just cleaning upstairs. We're just kind of getting all the stuff, the last minute stuff. We haven't gotten any school done this week, and I do not think we're going to get any done tomorrow. I think probably what we're gonna do is just not do school until probably next Thursday. So we make the final move on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And I think we will start school up on Thursday and probably do school on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to kind of make up for the 4 days that we were gonna do this week, and then kind of go back to normal the following week. And then when we get to the week where we're moving into the other house, we'll probably just take another week off at that point, and just so that we can unpack, get everything put away quickly. We really don't like living in chaos, even though you probably couldn't tell that from the look of this house right now. Say hello and welcome.
Okay, hello.
Say welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
I think right now what we're actually going to do though is go take a golf cart ride, have a little bit of fun. And then we're gonna come back and do a little bit of work in the kitchen, and I think we're gonna wrap up tonight, and then tomorrow we will work on some cleaning and packing of my office. Cleaning of the house and packing up of my office, and try to clean Gary's office while he is out of town. He's got most of that packed up. So I feel like we're in good shape as far as what needs to be done when. It's just still a good bit more work to do, and we're just gonna kind of take our time and get it done over the weekend. All right, scratch the golf cart ride. We just went out there and noticed that it's raining, so we're not gonna do that. So Katie's gonna go ahead and make some cookies, and I'm gonna start working on this mess over here and try to organize this a little bit. I have another tote. I think I'm gonna try to get it down to 2 totes and maybe 1 bag. Right now I've got like 4 bags and it's just a mess. So I'm gonna try to organize this a little bit, because this is what's gonna be like traveling with us so that we can cook and all that kind of stuff while we're on the road.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever.
The rain kind of came out of nowhere, but it's really pouring down out here. It's been a really brutally hot few days. Just to try to move in this, it's just been so hot and steamy and muggy. And every afternoon, you're pretty much getting the rain just because of the heat. Okay, so I've managed to get this down a little bit. I've got 1 bag of like pots and pans that I'm gonna bring. And I've got a couple of bags of like snacks and things, and then these 2 totes. This one's mostly like ingredients and things I cook with, and this one is basically food. So, and then this over here is also like some bulk storage that I have here that's just like baking stuff and things that are going to a friend's house.
You feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget to get you. To get you. Don't forget.
Okay, it is the next day. We didn't get as much as we wanted to get done yesterday, of course, as the story always goes. So today we've been kind of taking it easy today. It's already 4 o'clock. We have done a few errands and stuff like that. Been doing a little bit of cleaning. Right now I am going to try to pack some of these extra pillows and things. We're also going to try to finally pack my office area, at least to the extent that I can. I'm trying to, at this point, just see, I'm really down to just a few boxes left. I got these 2, and then I have maybe another 3 over here maybe. So we're just trying to get an idea of how much more we have. But we packed almost everything at this point. So today is Friday, July 24th.
Hello.
Sophie is helping mommy pack. And so on Monday we pick up a U-Haul. On Tuesday we drive the rest of our stuff down to Hilton Head, and and then on Wednesday we close on this house. So that's kind of where we are at this point. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on this office. right, so this is Gary's office. We just shredded some paperwork that we didn't need from the house and dumped the bin into here. Gary's pretty much got everything packed up now in here. I just cleaned off the shelves and vacuumed the floor. And then we came back, and these extra TVs that we have, one of them was on the wall in here. We just labeled everything so we know like what bracket goes with the TV. So we've got stickers on the back of everything. And then this was a TV that we used at our other house, and we just kind of, we're gonna put this in Katie's room. So we just labeled everything here as well. So I think we're ready to go back to the house now and grab my keys.
Let's go now.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting ready to rain. It's looking pretty, the sky's looking pretty black. So we're heading back to the house and locking up the office. Our work here is done. Right, Sophie?
It feels cooler at least.
Yeah, it does feel cooler. I would say let's eat on the screen porch, but we have no table on there.
I look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you.
Katie was cleaning the cabinets up here, and we just realized that we left a cabinet full of Christmas stuff. Like it's like baking stuff. There's some probably some cookie cutters and things like that, and some decorations up there. So we're gonna have to pack that. We thought the kitchen was pretty much done. Making some supper. We're just trying to use up freezer food at this point. So I've got some chicken nuggets and some little potatoes going in the air fryer.
I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you.
I want popcorn.
Okay, so it's the next day again. Today is Saturday, July 25th. It's echoing terribly in here. Gary is playing golf with his friends. It's like a long golf weekend. We've been trying to get stuff together at the house. Just gonna give you a quick update on the cleaning that we've done. I forgot to film most of it, but sorry about that. But this is the school room. This one echoes terribly. So we cleaned the floors, we dusted everything, and we got the furniture out. We still do have like our router and all that kind of stuff that's gonna have to stay in here. So Katie and I were able to move the shelves out here as well as the table. So those are gonna get loaded on the truck. Okay, and then upstairs, we went ahead and cleaned the craft room, the upstairs TV room, and just kind of closed them so like no one's gonna walk in there anymore. And we cleaned the guest room. So I'm just trying to preserve the vacuum lines so the rooms look clean. But we took the mattresses out and put them in the hallway. And then in the girls' rooms, we went ahead and took their clothes and things out of their closet. We cleaned and closed their closets. This one's Katie's. So we still have their Sophie.
Oh.
Look at Sophie's cute little overalls.
Yeah, I'm wearing it today.
Yeah. All right, so we We're just plugging along. We're still gonna have to clean, the downstairs, the bedrooms that we're using, and the bathrooms that we're using. But I wanted to show you something fun. While Gary's away, the girls will play. So we went to a place called Nothing Bundt Cakes, and we got these little, what were these called, Katie?
They're like little Bundt cupcakes.
Buntinis? I think it says Buntinis. What does that say? Buntinis?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got like a little variety pack of Buntinis. So we got some chocolate chips, some red velvet.
Vanilla.
Those are vanilla. Those are white chocolate raspberry. These are marble. That one is lemon and that one is confetti. So we're gonna cut into a few of these and try them out, see what we think.
What chocolate have on it?
That's got vanilla frosting. You wanna take that off?
Yeah.
You don't like vanilla frosting? All right, so Katie's eating, which one, the chocolate?
Chocolate.
Chocolate chip. And Sophie's eating hers, but she's eating it without frosting. And I think I'm going to try the white chocolate raspberry. Okay, I was just editing this video and I realized that I never ended it. It is actually Thursday now. And this vlog that you're watching is from this past weekend. It's actually already after the move, so I thought I'd go ahead and end this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is